Stuart Alderati, Ripple's top legal officer, stated that Ripple is growing its presence in the United States, with 75% of its job openings located there. Alderati said the present case is about whether XRP is a security or not. The new SEC government is clarifying the rules about securities, which may lead to a quick resolution. In a recent conversation with CNBC, it was said that Ripple Labs is bringing 75% of its jobs back to the United States. In the past, companies like Ripple had to move to other countries because they were unsure about the rules here. Now, things are changing. In addition to this change, Ripple has recently received 2 money transmitter licenses in New York and Texas, which will further improve its capacity to provide real-time cross-border payment solutions. Ripple has over 55 world licenses and 33 money transmitter licenses to operate in the United States. Stuart Alderati criticized past strict rules that slowed down the growth of cryptocurrency and made businesses relocate. Gary Gensler, the former SEC chair, took a tough stance that led to more than 100 enforcement actions and pushed 10,000 token producers to register, even though he allowed Bitcoin spot exchange-traded funds. His strong attitude received criticism, and some people asked for fairer limits. Ripple aims to grow its business in the United States and become a top company in following Bitcoin regulations while Donald Trump is president. Will the SEC case be settled? Alderati highlighted 3 key factors that will shape future cryptocurrency laws in the United States, making it more attractive for companies. He started by mentioning the executive order that President Trump made after he became president. This move was intended to support his promise to make the United States a leader in cryptocurrency. He also said that a government supportive of cryptocurrency had been put in place, clearly stating that David Sacks is in charge of AI and crypto. Sacks has important topics to discuss, including laws about safe coins, the possible creation of a Bitcoin reserve, and how blockchain technology and artificial intelligence could work together. Alderati emphasized that Ripple is not being accused of fraud, market manipulation, or hurting customers in the SEC case. The SEC has not found any victims or cash losses caused by Ripple's actions. The disagreement, which began in 2020, is about whether Ripple failed to register XRP as a security with the SEC. At that time, there were no clear rules for Bitcoin businesses to follow. Alderati said that if Paul Atkins becomes the new head of the SEC, there could be a better way to regulate cryptocurrency. The SEC has set up a new crypto task group led by Commissioner Hester Pierce. Its goal is to make the rules for digital goods clearer. One of its main goals is to check the security state of various cryptocurrencies, like XRP. Ripple's legal battle with the SEC might come to an end if the Crypto Task Force gives better guidelines. Currently, XRP is priced at $2.45. This is a 2.49% drop in the last day and a 21.09% drop in the past week. The legal conflict between Ripple and the SEC is changing because signs show that the SEC might be shifting its position. The commission might consider changing its case against Ripple because of recent events, like the reassignment of key lawyers and the reorganization of the SEC's cryptocurrency and hacking unit. This has created the SEC is making internal changes showing that they are moving in a new direction. The SEC's crypto and cyber team, once a strong group that enforced rules for digital asset companies, is now shrinking significantly. Mark Uleta, the acting chair, is currently leading an internal review. As part of this review, Jorge Tenrero, an important lawyer in the Ripple case, has been moved to the IT department. Tenrero was important in several major legal cases against Bitcoin companies, and his move makes people wonder if the SEC will keep being tough in legal matters. Also, another lawyer who helped create accounting rules that restricted banks from providing digital asset security services has been given a new job. These changes have made people think that the SEC might not focus on its appeal against Ripple anymore, which was first filed when Gary Gensler was the chair. Commissioner Pierce's view on regulating cryptocurrencies. Commissioner Hester Pierce has faced strong criticism for how the agency regulates cryptocurrency through disciplinary actions. The commissioner wants clear instructions on the issue. Pierce has stated that the new crypto task force will change how it identifies digital assets. This could affect Ripple's case. Their decision might take XRP off the list of assets and solve the main problem in the SEC's appeal. Coins created by Commissioner Hester Pierce, the SEC is expected to be more welcoming to Bitcoin. Source: Coinage Through 10, Judge Annalisa Torres decided that selling XRP to regular buyers is not considered a securities trade, but the SEC does not agree with this ruling. Due to changes in regulations and a lack of strong leadership at the commission, the agency may handle the situation less strictly and might let the case go. Legal experts think Ripple will likely win. Because of recent events, many legal experts and pro-XRP lawyers believe that the SEC's appeal might not succeed. Attorney James Murphy, also known as Meta Lawman, believes that the SEC's recent decision in the Coinbase case might indicate a shift in the agency's stance. The Commission's choice to not challenge Coinbase's appeal shows that it is changing from its previous tough approach to lawsuits. Meta Lawman, the SEC, has not objected to Coinbase's request for an interlocutory review at the Second Circuit. I met a police officer on X. The likelihood of the Commission dropping or settling its case against Ripple is growing since a new SEC chair is scheduled to be appointed by April. Legal experts say that the SEC may struggle to pursue its appeal unless it gets strong support from its chiefs. Possible impact on XRP pricing: $4 XRP's market performance has been greatly impacted by the current legal case. XRP's price has been unstable because of the unclear SEC appeal, often changing with news about the case. If the SEC stops its appeal, trust in XRP could greatly increase, potentially driving its value to a new high. Experts believe that XRP could go over $4 if it stays above key support levels. The remittance-based token is moving in a structure called a descending expanding wedge. Many coin experts think this is a positive situation,